Mixed operations of multiplication and division, page 10, exercise 1.6. Now this is the second part of the same exercise 1.6, of which we have already done addition and subtraction. So when we are given mixed operations of multiplication and division, we always take or do division first and then we multiply. If you look at the example, it says 75 divided by 15 multiplied by 8. So here again, simple, we have to divide first 75 by 15 and then we will multiply answer by 8. So 75 divided by 15 is 5. This is the answer of division. Now we are going to multiply 5 and 8. So 5 8 times is 40. So I will repeat the rule again. Whenever we get mixed operations of multiplication and division, we always do division first and then we multiply. Now if you look at the second example, it says 25 multiplied by 15 divided by 3. Now multiplication is given in the first place and division is given in the second place. But remember the rule, it says always do division first. So this means that we are going to divide first. What are we going to divide? 15, and 15 will be divided by 3. So we will be solving the second part of the sum first and then we will come back to the first part. So the second part of the sum says 15 divided by 3. So we will solve that first and then we will come back to our multiplication. As you can see, I have highlighted the second part of the sum which has to be done first. So here we are not rearranging like we did for addition and subtraction. So if division is given in the second place, we can solve it there and then we can multiply. So now we have got 5 as an answer and we are going to multiply 25 by 5. So when we multiply 25 by 5 times is 25. 5 goes under 1's house, 2 goes to the 10's house. 5 2 times 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So which gives us 125 as our answer. So the rule says whenever mixed operations of multiplication and division are given together, we always take division first and then we multiply. If you look at both the examples, we have done division first, whether it was given in the first place or whether it was given in the second part of the question. First we have divided and then we have multiplied the numbers. So keep in mind, whenever we have multiplication and division, we always divide first.